This is a very important update. If you wrote JAMB in the last JAMB exam, and many of you have been coming, some of you that are members of our channel has been coming talking about that you have not seen your results, you have having issue with your change of subject, change of course, change of institution, and all the rest. And I've been telling you to calm down. Now, JAMB 2025 change of course institution has commenced. They just started it. A few hours ago. The JAMB change of institution course process is now open for 2025 UTME candidates. This allows candidates to modify their preferred city institution to course after to modify their preferred institution or course. So you can say you are no longer, maybe you wanted to do law, but then the law, the mark, the score you got in JAMB was not up to, say, was maybe 210 and 212, and you are feeling that if you continue with that course, with that score, you may not get admission. So it's better you maybe look for something else that is not so competitive. Of course, you know that this year the cutoff mark will be higher. We're expecting that this year the cutoff mark will be higher because the number of success recorded in the exam this year is bigger than what JAMB has ever recorded. Okay? So the changing of course or institution allows candidates to modify their preferred institution or course after completing UTME registration or upon receiving their result. Now that you have done your UTME registration, you have seen your result. If you have not seen your result, please rush to the comment and tell me that you have not seen your result. If you're also having issues with you want to rewrite, also let me know. You can now update your first choice institution or course of study via the JAMB CAPS portal. Who can tell us the full meaning of the CAPS? Central Admission. Just tell me what you think is the first full meaning of CAPS in the comment section. Now, it is important you note that this process requires physical presence. It's not what you will stay at home and do. Change of institution, you cannot do it at home, please. You need to go to an accredited CBT center for fingerprint verification. They will need to verify that you are the one. Why they are doing it like that is so that no other person can do it without you. You can't send somebody money and they'll do it for you. Go to a place where you do fingerprint verification. Ensure you visit a recognized center to complete the update. Remember, as I said, you can go to a CBT center and do your change of course right now. You are having any issue, your result, you have not seen your result, you want to rewrite, you want to do the mop-up exam, maybe you wrote and you're having issues, let me know right now in the comments section. Remember that to go ahead, like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, come under the comment and let me know any issues you're having concerning this year's JAMB. I am the one to talk to. Come under the comment and talk to me now. There's an important video on the screen. Click on it and watch now.